Buddha quotes to recharge your life. If you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would never let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. Learn this from water. Loud splashes the brook, but the ocean's depths are calm. I never see what has been done, I only see what remains to be done. You only lose what you cling to. The past is already gone, the future is not yet here. There is only one moment for you to live. The trouble is, you think you have time. Your work is to discover your work and then, with all your heart, to give yourself to it. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. The tongue, like a sharp knife, it kills without drawing blood. Teach this triple truth to all: a generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity. To abstain from lying is essentially wholesome. Avoid evil deeds as a man who loves life avoids poison. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. There are only two mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. If a man's thoughts are muddy, if he is reckless and full of deceit, how can he wear the yellow robe? Whoever is master of his own nature, bright, clear, and true, he may indeed wear the yellow robe. Anger will never disappear so long as thoughts of resentment are cherished in the mind. Anger will disappear just as soon as thoughts of resentment are forgotten. For soon the body is discarded, then what does it feel? A useless log of wood? It lies on the ground. Then what does it know? Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. But once mastered, no one can help you as much, not even your father or your mother. One should strive to understand what underlies sufferings and diseases, and aim for health and well-being while gaining in the path. If you are quiet enough, you will hear the flow of the universe. You will feel its rhythm. Go with this flow. Happiness lies ahead. Meditation is key. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Those who are free of resentful thoughts surely find peace. There has to be evil so that good can prove its purity above it. To conquer oneself is a greater task than conquering others. The whole secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you. Depend on no one. Only the moment you reject all help, you are freed. Everything that has a beginning has an ending. Make your peace with that, and all will be well. The root of suffering is attachment. You cannot travel the path until you have become the path itself. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another. If we could see the miracles of a single flower clearly, our whole life would change. Those who have failed to work towards the truth have missed the purpose of living. In separateness lies the world's greatest misery. In compassion lies the world's true strength. If you find no one to support you on the spiritual path, walk alone. There is no companionship with the immature. Work out your own salvation. Do not depend on others. All wrongdoings arises because of mind. If mind is transformed, can wrongdoing remain? It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or foe, that lures him to evil ways. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. There is nothing so disobedient as an undisciplined mind, and there is nothing so obedient as a disciplined mind. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. You will not be punished for your anger, you will be punished by your anger. Wear your ego like a loose fitting garment. People with opinions just go around bothering one another. Speak or act with an impure mind and trouble will follow you. In the sky, there is no distinction of east and west. People create distinctions out of their own minds and then believe them to be true. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, worry about the future, or anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly. To keep the body in good health is a duty, otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. There is nothing more dreadful than the habit of doubt. Doubt separates people. It is a poison that disintegrates friendships and breaks up pleasant relations. It is a thorn that irritates and hurts. It is a sword that kills. If the problem can be solved, why worry? If the problem cannot be solved, worrying will do you no good. Even death is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. A man is not called wise because he talks and talks again. But is he peaceful, loving, and fearless? Then he is in truth called wise. Even as a solid rock is unshaken by the wind, so are the wise unshaken by praise or blame. It is better to travel well than to arrive. A dog is not considered a good dog because he is a good barker. A man is not considered a good man because he is a good talker. Remembering a wrong is like carrying a burden on the mind. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Nothing ever exists entirely alone. Everything is in relation to everything else. Nothing is permanent. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. There isn't enough darkness in all the world to snuff out the light of one little candle. Imagine that every person in the world is enlightened, but you. They are all your teachers, each doing just the right things to help you. Whatever words we utter should be chosen with care, for people will hear them and be influenced by them for good or ill. An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. Have compassion for all beings, rich and poor alike. Each has their suffering. Some suffer too much, others too little. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. If anything is worth doing, do it with all your heart. On life's journey, faith is nourishment. Virtuous deeds are a shelter. Wisdom is the light by day, and right mindfulness is the protection by night. If a man lives a pure life, nothing can destroy him. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. It is ridiculous to think that somebody else can make you happy or unhappy. Happiness does not depend on what you have or who you are. It solely relies on what you think. Happiness does not depend on what you have or who you are. It solely relies on what you think. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Happiness is not having a lot. Happiness is giving a lot. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Hatred does not cease through hatred, as any time hatred ceases through love. This is an unalterable law. You can search throughout entire universe for someone who is more deserving of your love and affection than you are yourself, and that person is not to be found anywhere. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. True love is born from understanding. If you truly loved yourself, you could never hurt another. The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.